Hey, a very good Wednesday evening, everybody. Thanks for stopping by for your pinpoint forecast. Today we made it into the 80s once again. Winds were gusting as high as 35 miles per hour. We'll stay gusty tomorrow, but it's a turn in the winds that brings slightly cooler temperatures. Up to the north, we've got a slight risk for severe weather outside of the Brazos Valley. That's where severe thunderstorms could happen this evening. You can see the line of storms developing with our next cold front. Northern counties are what's called a marginal risk, so one or two strong to maybe even briefly severe thunderstorms with the potential for some gusty, damaging winds and some hail. Not out of the question, but not very likely either. Now, rumbles of thunder will be possible tonight. This is a pinpoint forecast that gives you the most coverage of rain through the overnight hours as the cold front comes through. I don't think it's going to be quite that extensive, but that is, I think, best case scenario if you're looking for rain, or worst case scenario if you don't want any thunderstorms. Regardless, this is all out of here for about 90% of us by the time we start tomorrow morning. So we'll leave a 20% chance of rain at 7 o'clock, temperatures upper 50s, low 60s, and we will work our way into the 70s tomorrow. Remember, today we were in the 80s, so a good 10-degree drop in temperatures. Winds from the north and the northwest, 10 to 15, gusting at 20. So watch what happens here. Temperatures are in the 70s tomorrow, but as that cooler air trickles in, we'll actually start cooling a bit as we head into the afternoon. Friday is looking like a gorgeous day. We start just below 50 degrees. We wrap up around 70. Saturday now, if you're keeping up with the forecast, previously had clouds and rain. Now I think it's going to be a mix of sun and clouds and highs again in the 70s. That rain chance is shifting to our Sunday and into Monday with your next cold front, which it clears out for much of next week. We have to monitor trends to really get a handle on how good the thunderstorm chance will be here in the Brazos Valley tonight and if it's going to cause any issues. We've got more details over at kbtx.com. We'll be tweeting about it all evening long. You can find those details on the weather page. And of course, we will get you the very latest and show you where those storms are at 10 o'clock tonight on News 3 at 10. Until then, enjoy your evening. We'll catch you soon.